Hello everybody, today I want to talk about how to put music on Facebook profile on iPhone. Now let me show you. Remember, update your app first, okay? That's so important. Update your app. Now when you are here, toes in your corner, can you watch 3 lines, toes here and open your profile. Now can you watch now in my profile picture, I have already have music. Now let me delete. Sorry, YouTube. Sorry, no copyright. Okay, not delete. If you want add music here, toast here, thinking about it, and can you select okay music or emoji or GIF? Okay, you can select this. Okay, you can try to find new music here. Okay, it's so easy and really fast. And if you cannot watch this in your profile, need update your app. Remember, that is so important. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.